Good morning everyone and welcome once again to a Wacky Wednesday. So today I'm going to present to you a fruit straight from a rock concert. Yes, a rocking fruit. You guessed it right. It is the drumstick. Drumstick is a fruit of the super tree Moringa. Moringa is the latest kid on the superfood block. Yes, it is taken center stage. Moringa leaves are known to have high amounts of vitamin C, much more than oranges, high amounts of vitamin A, much more than carrots, high amounts of iron, much more than spinach, and do you know it has high amounts of calcium, much more than milk. So everybody is now queuing for the Moringa, or as we call in Marathi, Shevga. Yes. Now what happens is, because of this craze to own this superfood, we are taking out the foliage of the Moringa plant and not letting these wonder fruits grow. But let me tell you, as much as the leaves of a Moringa plant are healthy, they can help beat diabetes, they help with constipation, they are great to fight cancer, they are great for lactation, and mind you, every Indian mum feeds Moringa leaf vegetable to her daughter whenever she comes for confinement. It is an essential part of a lactating mother's food in India. But equally good is the drumstick or the Moringa fruit. And I tell you, this is the most yummalicious part of a Moringa plant. This fruit is a wonder fruit because normally vitamin C is destroyed with cooking, but the shell or the covering of a Moringa fruit protects the vitamin C even during cooking. So when you eat a Moringa fruit or the drumstick, you get tons of vitamin C. Inside the fruit are the Moringa seeds. These seeds have a very good oil which helps hair and skin. And it is the key to longevity or looking young, way even when your age progresses. Well, there's a way in which Moringa drumsticks are peeled before cooking. So you put in your knife and you peel out this thick outer covering. You see, this is the way to go. Now, those of my Indian friends who are watching this think this is simple. But recently, I had a non-Indian patient of mine who needed to use this because this is teeming with calcium, and therefore is one of the good remedies for people suffering from osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, but didn't know how to use it, didn't know how to cook it. So here I am showing you how to peel a Moringa fruit or a drumstick. You can add it to your soups, you can add it to your dals, you can add it to your curries, you can add it to your sambar. Growing up, my mom would add it to the fish curry, and boy, I loved it. That time I was a non-vegetarian. Today I'm a vegetarian, so today morning I cooked a dal with drumsticks. Ah, the smell is just divine. Now, there is a sophisticated way of eating the drumstick. You can take your fork and open this drumstick, and then there is this drumstick seed which is steaming with the healthy oil, and the inside pulp which is full of soluble and non-soluble fiber, which of course helps to reduce cholesterol and helps to beat constipation, and of course has vitamin C intact after cooking. But there is a rustic way of eating it, which is to take this and let your teeth do the work. Now, I'll tell you the benefits of eating this. Let me just enjoy this bit of my drumstick. Then you take the whole thing and chew on it. Kind of like you chew on a chewing gum and suck out the juice. When you do this, you're exercising your jaws. You're exercising your teeth. You see, our modern food is too mushy, too soft. So our teeth and jaws do not get enough exercise. So So most of us get temporomandibular joint pain or TM joint pain, or we have bad teeth. So this is a great way of exercising your teeth and exercising your jaws while enjoying the yummy juice inside the drumstick. Not only that, the skin or the bark of the drumstick has lots of micronutrients. So when you chew on it, it releases these micronutrients into your body. What we are forgetting it's not just the moringa leaves which are the superfood. It is the whole moringa tree which is a super tree. The roots are healthy, the leaves are healthy, the bark is healthy, the fruits are healthy, the dried seeds are healthy, and even the flowers are healthy. Growing up, my mom made yummy dry vegetable from the flowers. Yes, we forget this, and in our craze to eat more of the superfood, we make capsules from the leaves. These capsules we can go on ingesting, they can dig a big hole in our pocket, but we have got it out of context. Yes, we really don't know how much of that is going to be absorbed. So if you're living in a tropical zone, if you're living anywhere in Southeast Asia or India or any part of the world which has tropical climate, moringa can grow naturally. Moringa is an evergreen which doesn't need a lot of care. It can grow in arid and semi-arid grounds. It doesn't need a lot of waterlogging. In fact, it hates it. Moringa was an essential part of backyard gardens in India and Southeast Asia, and it used to be planted at the corner of the garden on the outer rim. Do you know why? Because as much as we love the moringa, so do caterpillars. So if you are to grow moringa in your backyard, please learn from the wise ancients and plant it right at the end. By the way, moringa can also grow in pots, big pots, but remember to keep it out in your balcony. It's not an indoor plant. And enjoy the health benefits of its tender leaves, of its tender fruits, of its solid seeds, and even its flowers. On that point, moringa has been used in the villages of India today to beat malnutrition because it gives growing up kids a lot of calcium, a lot of iron, and a lot of vitamin C. And it is the key player in making the world diabetes free. So have moringa, enjoy every bit of the drumstick, its leaves and its flowers. Thank you.